Okay, so hello everyone. So here in this tutorial we're going to discuss about how we can loop through an array of objects inside an object. First of all, you already know how you can make an object and also how you can loop through an array of objects. Okay, so here first of all we can write, okay, suppose all blocks, and use this and write first block and second block. Okay, so now if I just console log this, let's see what I get. If I run this script, let's see what happens. Yeah, so I get this object and here is an array of all blocks. Okay, now suppose you can take a challenge, that is you can loop through this and let's see what happens. So you can do like this: posts dot all blocks dot for each console log all block. And now if I run this script, okay, so you see how easy it is. I can easily loop through array in an object, inside an object, with the for each method. I like this method so much. Now we are done with looping through array. Okay, looping through array. Here we loop through an array of objects. Suppose ID 1, title, first, desk, second, okay, sorry, I forgot to mention, this should have been here. Array of objects, all logs, and let's give this array and ID, suppose 1, and title is first blog post, then the description is second blog post, okay, sorry, first blog description. Okay, now if I copy and paste this, okay, so you can also try to loop this. This is exactly the same, just there is a bit of difference. So let's do something, let's try the same thing. Okay, and let's see what we get. We would get the same thing, but here you would get the array of object. Yeah, so you see we get the array of object now. Now if you want to print show or the title and description, you can just do this and title all blog dot description. And now if I run this script, let's see what happens. Okay, you see I get everything in a proper way here. First blog post, first blog description, second blog post, second blog description. Yes, you can also follow the ES5 style, and that is not a problem. So I believe now you have clearly an idea about array inside objects and object inside array. So that's very much it, and in the next tutorial we'll talk about math object, and I believe now objects are also being cleared slowly and steadily. So that is very much it. Thank you.